राज्यं ब्रह्मणपदेति संगोधजन्नीः गच्छ परस्तरं वाहनम of Lord Dhanvantari in this Sanskrit Agni before Chandram Bhagam Ivajantamavata Sukam Paresham Jnanam Sudha Kalachameva Sandadhanam Shitam Shumandalagatam Smaradatma Samstham Shri Dhanvantari Rupine Lakshmi Narayanaya Namaha Prarthanam Samarpayami. As described in Veda mantras, in Rigveda 10th Mandala and in Yajurveda in Rudra Anuvakas and also in Atharva Veda Chaturtha Khanda, everywhere that great mantra of Lord Dhanvantari described same, and also the great explanation of the greatness of Dhanvantari we can find in
Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare Hare Achyutananta Govinda Vishnu Narayanamrita Rogan Menasaya Sheshan Ashu Dhanvantare मेनाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे
आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे
अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानंत गोविंद विष्णु नारायणामृत धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशय अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत रोगान् मे नाशयाशेषान् आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु नारायणामृत आशु धन्वन्तरे हरे अच्युतानन्त गोविन्द विष्णु
दीक्षादीक्षितमव्यजम् आवाहयामि लोकेशं पीयूषाञ्चितमस्तकम् ॐ ते धन्वन्तरोऽपि परमात्मने नमः आवाहयामि आवाहनं प्रवर्तयामि ॐ विचित्ररत्नखचितं कार्तस्वरविनिर्मितं गृहाणीनं महास्वामिन् आसनं प्रबलं शुभम् ते धन्वन्तरीरोऽपि महाविष्णवे नमः दिव्यसिंहासनं समर्पयामि गङ्गादि सर्वतीर्थेभ्यः नयानीतं शुभोदकं तोयमेतः सुतस्पर्शं पाप्यात् सम्पदि रक्षताम् श्रीरामाय नमः वृत्तपुष्पं समर्पयामि ॐ नित्यपुरुषाय नमः निशितापुष्पं समर्पयामि ॐ वेदानुसारिताय नमः पाटले पुष्पं समर्पयामि ॐ कमनीयाय नमः करवीरपुष्पं समर्पयामि ॐ महनीयाय नमः मल्लिकापुष्पं समर्पयामि ॐ चन्द्रात्यनयनाय तद्वन्तरूपिणे परमात्मने नमः मनोबोधीत तदात्मनां समर्पयामि.
Let us offer our sincere prayers to the lotus feet of Lord Dhanvantari. Punjavakane, Prasannakane, Sarvepi Devaha, Prasanna Chittaha. When we perform all the rituals, all the sevas according to Shastra, during that time, especially at the end, Avasana Kala, all the devatas, they are all pleased and they are ready to bless all the devotees and make all our good wishes fulfilled. Especially Dhanvantari Rupi Lakshmi Narayana, the mantra of Dhanvantari, Mula mantra and Veda mantra is described everywhere, all the scriptures, all the Puranas, especially Rigveda, Yajurveda and Samaveda and also Atharva Veda. We find same mantra praising Lord Dhanvantari in all 4 Vedas. So when we offer our devotion sincerely, we may get rid of all the challenges. as Tantrasara says, Muddhistinadamutajeva sudhantamantam Rumajjagacha tatajevacha talu samsthat Hardhacha nadhitadana dadadistitacha dhyatmabhipuritananu Dhuritam things in their life. People may have to get rid of all the health issues especially and find healthy long life. People suffering with many other financial and other challenges, they have to find peace in their life. And let us pray all of us and accept our sincere seva before we are offering Purnahuti to the feet of Lord Dhanvantari. You can follow the same mantra prayer to please Lord Dhanvantari 3 times. Achyutananta Govinda
Achyutananta Govinda
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Godanmena Shayateshan
Doshanena Shayateshan
Adu Dhanvantare Hare
Ashu Dhanvantare Hare
Achyutananta Govinda
Achyutananta Govinda
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Godanmena Shayateshan
Bhagavannena Shayateshan
Ashu Dhanvantare Hare
Ashu Dhanvantare Hare
Achyutananta Govinda
Achyutananta Govinda
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Vishnu Narayana Amrita
Godanmena Shayateshan
Bhagavannena Shayateshan
Ashu Dhanvantare Hare
Ashu Dhanvantare Hare
Dhanvantari Rupine Paramatmane Namagamanato Bhikta Prarthanam Samarpajami Yani Kani Japapani Janmantara
Tani Tani Vinisyanti Kalakshana Pade Pade Papoham Papakalmaham Papatma Papata
Prarthanam Samarpajami Anena Homatkarayavityakalpopradhanavahanaadi Shodashopacharamudinena Mangalyamukasti Dhanvantari Rupinha Vishpapriyatam Srihapriyatam Sri Krishnarpanamastu Om Vishwaksham Vishwarumbham Vishwam Narayanam Devamaggaram Paramam Param Vishwadattaraman Nityam Vishwam Narayanakundarim Vishwavedam Murushatsarjittam Padevade Padim Vishwasyatmeshwarajam Jashwarajam Jivamatvatam Narayanam Mahadhijam Vishwatmaram Varayanam Narayana Paro Jyotiratma Narayana Param Narayana Paraha Narayana Paro Dhyata Dhyanam Narayana Paraha Yatra Kinchakara Sarvam Drishyate Srujate Piva Antarbhagishchata Sarvam Yapya Narayana Stiraha Anantamavvyajam Kavikam Samudreyantam Vishwasambhavam Tadjudoshaprayekāşakim Hridayam Chāpyasomukham Adho Nityavitasyandenaabhyam Paritishthati Bharamārakulam Bhāte Vishwasyayatanam Mahat Antakamishāvitturam Vadyāpurhasamnibham Tasyam Te Vijaram Dopnam Tasmin Darvam Pratishtitam Tasyamadhe Mahalagdir Vishwātya Vishwatomukhah Sotrabuddhivajam Vishtannaharamadarakkavihi Sriyagotramadashyani Rashmayastasya Sandara Atma Vyavastitah Sabrahmadashivasya Haristendrastokcharatparamasvarat Gatagam Satyam Param Brahma Purusham Krishnavinalam Urdhvaredam Viromaksham Vishwarupayam Vasudevaya Tanno Vishnu Prodayat Yasaidattasya Dharmana Vidodyogasya Radasya Dharmana Sandata Pradhyate Punavahavendyogaha Om Jnana Pushpaya
पूर्णामतिकालः सुमुहूर्तमस्तु भवन्तोत्तमस्तु सुभागमात्रमुत्तरतो निधाय बर्हिषि पूर्णपात्रं निनजे पाणिनाथं कृष्यान् नापोषतिस्तन्तो त्रिमित्रास्तस्मै सन्तयो अस्मान् द्वेष्टयञ्च वयं दिष्मः माहं प्रजां पराहितं ज्ञानस्वजावलिश्चनः मुद्रेवो दिनयानि स्मं पातो अपीथा समस्तभक्तजनानां सहकुटुम्बकानां शान्तिरस्तु पुष्टिरस्तु तुष्टिरस्तु चतस्राणां लोपायनालाभन्दस्वतं दुष्टकतं नेत्रबन्धहृदयः विराट् संधाग्रदेवतां उपस्थाने विद्यां बुद्धिं श्रियं बलं आयुष्यं तेजः आरोग्यं देहि मे हव्यवाहना देहि मे पुरुषोत्तमा
ఓం బ్రహ్మంతరూపిణే పరమాత్మనే నమః ధ్యానాయతకం విరాధమాకి జద్దపాగం త్వంకిమిత్తమేతదో దేవానాం భూతజీజాతిం ఆతాగమం గంధావిరతో అరిత్తనాదిభిః ఉక్షం తే పద్మం
अजं मे विश्वभेदजोजं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ अजं मे मजं मे हस्तो मेयमजं मे हस्तः मे हस्तो
I told Mahesh that people are waiting in the hot sun. It is very inappropriate for me to make them stand. And after 2 years of intensive tapas, today this has culminated in such a beautiful yajna. The nature is very pleased. It is not too hot, 100 degrees, 95 degrees, it's about 80 degrees plus. It's very pleasant. And this is the Dhanvantari Homam. To my knowledge, on a mass scale in US, this is the first time yajna like that has been done. We have got a Dhanvantari Murti in our Guruvayurappan temple installed. Pranapratishtha is done, it's installed. We didn't do it a separate Dhanvantari Homam in this scale so far. Yogendra thought about a thing like that, and it's very appropriate that he coordinated and conducted such a nice yajna for the welfare of our community. If you really observe the mantra, Achyuta, Ananta, Govinda, Vishnu, Narayana, and all these amshas of Vishnu are prayed, and Dhanvantari is invoked and prayed for what? To destroy all our rogas. And rogas means immediately we think it is only diseases for the physical body. Nidaye sarva vidyanam bishaje bhavarogina. In Dakshinamurti Stotra, Bhavaroga is the roga of the samsara. We all have afflictions in all of us. When Hiranyakashipu was told by Prahlada, Hiranyakashipu wanted him to worship himself as Narayana. And he told him that I have conquered all the worlds. Why are you still going after this Narayana? For which Prahlada told him, yes, Father, you have won all the physical worlds, but you have not won over your own internal shatrus, your own internal enemies. Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mata, Matsaryadi. All these internal shatrus, you have not gotten rid of them. All the external diseases can be cured by this medicine or that medicine. There are so many experts available in giving those medicines. But who is there to cure our internal, all these afflictions? That is why we invoke the grace of the Lord. Unless this is removed, whatever other afflictions are there, they are all insignificant, because this is the greatest affliction that we are all born with. And we have been developing over the years, nourishing it, and that should be destroyed. This Bhavaroga has to be gone. Roga, Nashaya, Asesha. Because it should be completely destroyed. We don't want any element of it to be remaining at all. It should be completely destroyed. And that is the prayer with which they did the Dhanvantari mantra. Just now he recited that mantra also from Vedas. All the Vedas acknowledge this. Actually, Arogyam Bhaskaradi Chet. If you want Arogyam, you go and desire it to Surya Deva. Do a lot of Surya Namaskaras. Actually, in Tamil there is a saying, There is no point in doing Surya Namaskara after the eyes are lost. Because you should be able to see the Surya Deva and do Namaskaram to him. Pashyema Shardasadam, Jivema Shardasadam, Nandama Shardasadam. That is the prayer. I want to be able to see you for hundreds of years. Even a 100-year-old man prays that. I don't want to borrow the eyes of my great-grand. I was looking at my watch. It was 12:30. You poor Nagari was done. Because I have another appointment in South Church, so I have to leave right now. But the thing is, it was so very nice of him each time to finish, to start on time and also to end on time. You know, long time ago, when they put the first astronaut on moon, at that time, John F. Kennedy was the person who was the president. He said, we will not only put a person in moon, we will also bring him back. There is no point in leaving him there. So not only he starts on time, he also makes sure it's ended on time, so that we can all go home happily with the great blessing of Swami Dhanvantari, Krishna himself, Narayana himself, and for this great opportunity that we all could participate and take advantage of a very highly Vaidika intensive ritual. There is a small detail. In Veda Mantra, there is a Purva Bhaga and Uttara Bhaga. Purva Bhaga is full of Karma Kanda, tells you lot of rituals are there. For anything you can ask, there is a ritual, you can conduct it and you can accomplish. So many things can be done, provided. In Karma Kanda, it is non-forgiving. Because if you do the ritual exactly correctly, according to the practice of the ritual in the rules, then you will achieve whatever you want. And the person who does that person should be knowledgeable enough, not only to know the procedure, but also to be an Anushtata himself. Today when he sent me the program started at 3 o'clock in the morning. He said it is 2:33. The Anushtana starting started, and then it has ended in a situation like this continuously. Again, practicing for 2 years here. We thank him. We thank Lord Krishna. Our Kritagya to the Lord Krishna is there forever, because in a country like this, where we all have come so many thousands of miles away from our home, to be still able to feel that we don't miss anything, and we are even enjoying things better than what we would have otherwise enjoyed in India. That is Ishvara's grace, Krishna's grace. We thank Lord for that thing, for such an environment. That is why I said Mahapurusha Samsaya is most important, to be in association with Satsanga, we are such good people, that is noble people, informed people, and that is what Lord has given us. Let us take advantage of it all the time. Each time I come here, I feel motivated. That's what I used to tell Yogendra. I feel motivated each time to go even more. Thank you very much.
Oh my God, It's okay, it's okay.
Late.